Hey gang, this is going to be a short review, but I had to jump in here. I've made a review on the Soundcore Q20 headphones before. Important for me to note something. I have tried several different headphones since I did the review on these. Very high-end headphones, some middle-range headphones, and I have always come back to the Soundcore Q20s. And I can tell you why. Yes, they allow me to watch the television at night without disturbing my wife's sleep because they Bluetooth to the TV really easily. But they charge up super fast, and the charge lasts me for days. And I'm a content creator, so I'm editing most of the afternoon every afternoon. What I realized was that the noise canceling of these Soundcore Q20s is outstanding. And on top of that, I wear these all day long and they never hurt my head or my ears. They're super comfortable. I just had to drop back in here and let you know that because I've tried so many different types of headphones and always gone back to the Soundcore Q20s, save yourself some time.